Hello! So today's video is for those who are currently staying in UK or currently planning to come to UK for either study abroad purposes or for work purposes. This video will be all about eVisa, how to apply them and how to use that in immigration when you are traveling abroad. So what is eVisa? The UK eVisa is a digital alternative to all the traditional paper visa. It is for everyone staying in UK for more than 6 months, such as international students, people who are currently holding work visa or graduate visa. Normally for all of you who are currently living in UK, you will hold something called a BRP card, which is a biometric residence permit card. eVisa is an alternative to BRP that can be used to prove your right to stay in UK. So similar to the BRP card, eVisa will contain your name, your photo, your date of birth, your immigration status, so you will no longer need to carry your BRP card everywhere you go, and you need to apply it before the expiry date of your BRP card, which is 31st March 2025, so it's 2 months from today's video. But hold on, don't panic, that doesn't mean your visa has expired, it just means that your BRP card will no longer work. So the most common question that people ask me about the eVisa is that, should I create it before or after coming to UK? Well, I think many people have different opinions about that, but my opinion is you can apply for it once you have arrived to UK, because when you're in UK, opening a UK VN account and registering for eVisa is so much easier to do. And that raises another question, which is, will there be any problem going through immigration if you haven't had eVisa yet? There will be no problem at all, because you still have your vignette visa sticker on your passport. So as long as you enter the UK before the expiry date on your visa sticker, there won't be any problem going through immigration, so you don't have to worry about it. Now that you're in UK, how do you apply for eVisa? Well, I would say the steps are pretty simple. I'll tell you a step-by-step guide to how to create it. So firstly, before you apply for the eVisa, you need to register for the UK VN account. Go to the governmental UK website and then sign up for the UK VN account. You just need to add your name, your nationality, date of birth, your current passport, and if you still have the BRP card, maybe your BRP, your mail address, and your phone number. Okay, for those who already have the BRP card, you can apply eVisa with your existing BRP card. But for those who just arrived to UK and do not have the BRP card, it's okay, you can still open it with your passport. After signing up for that account, you will receive an email from the governmental UK saying that your UKVN account has successfully created. When you follow the link provided in your email, you will get to the portal which will ask you to sign into the account that you just created, and then you'll see something like this. So link your eVisa to the account. Firstly, you have to confirm your identity like this, and then in order to confirm for that, you need to use your smartphone and then download the app called UK Immigration ID Check on your phone. After that, you have to take photos of the BRP card with the app that I just showed you. Quite simple, actually, it's easier than I said. And then you just have to take pictures of both sides of your BRP card and your photo. After scanning your BRP and following all the prompts that they have provided, it's time to take a photo of yourself. So this photo will be used in your eVisa. Try to make it look a bit nicer, and don't make a mistake that I did. When I was taking a photo, I didn't know that it would be that bad, but then I took it anyways, and now my photo is so bad, So don't make a mistake like I did. Change out of your pajamas, fix your hair, maybe put a little bit of lipstick if you want, smile, and then take a nice photo. And while taking photo, they also have a clear instructions, like it needs to be on the clear background, things like that. So just follow all the instructions that they are telling, and the instructions are pretty clear. And then after you take photos, you'll see something like this where it shows all your information that they just scanned from your BRP. Make sure that all the information are correct, and then you have to go to next step. You have to add your content preferences like your emails, your phone number, and your addresses. And then you have to add all your security questions. So there are a lot of security questions, and you can choose, I remember, 5 of them, and then give answers to all your security questions. Then you can click continue, and then you can basically have to submit the application. After that, you just need to wait for the confirmation emails. It usually takes a few hours, but sometimes up to 24 hours, and it may even take longer sometimes. So I remember that I got mine in a few hours, 2-3 hours. I didn't remember exactly, but it's just within a few hours. and they will send you an email with your eVisa in it. So that's your eVisa. Right, so here is a bit of ad session. If applying to eVisa, or if all of this process is complicated to you, then you can seek some advice from the consultancy services like SafeNet Education. I've mentioned SafeNet once in my previous video, so I believe I don't need to introduce it again. But in addition to their university application services and education like consultation services, they also have the visa application services. Maybe seek advice from the professional if this is your first time applying visa. Right, so now you got the eVisa on your phone. How will you use it when you're traveling abroad outside of UK? Well, it's also super easy. You just need to link your eVisa to your passport. So let's say if you open the UKVI account, if you apply eVisa with your BRP card, now just add one more ID and take pictures of your passport and add submit. In the next few minutes, Governmental UK will send you an email saying that you have added like one more identification to your UKVI account. So that's how you link your UKVI account and your eVisa to your passport. And the last few weeks ago, I came back from Japan after my BRP card expired. At first, like usual, I opened my phone, opening all my UKVI account and eVisa, and basically just ready to show all my details to the immigration officer. And then I gave him my passport and my old BRP card, just in case. But then he gave me back my old BRP card, and then I asked him, like holding my phone, like, "Sir, do you need to see my eVisa?" And then he's like, "Nah, it's alright. I scan your passport and I see your eVisa already." I didn't even need to show my BRP card or anything. I just need to give them my passport. That's it. But again, this experience at the UK border control and the immigration could be different from one person to another. So I'll still recommend you to bring your old BRP card, just in case. So if you're interested or if you want to know more information, please check out the Governmental UK website where they provide you loads of information and very clear instructions on how to do the eVisa. Right, so this is everything about eVisa, and I hope you gained something from this video. See you next video. Bye bye.